The frantic search for 7 missing sailors is now over after divers found their bodies in the flooded sleeping cabins of the destroyer.
As to how much warning they had, I don't know. That's going to be found out during the investigation.
Where the cargo ship struck the USS Fitzgerald in the middle of the night, a huge gash. As water flooded in, the crew scrambled to keep the ship from sinking.
It took 16 hours to tow the USS Fitzgerald back to port here. It was only then that divers were able to access the damaged section to make their discovery.
The search now for answers. How could an advanced U.S. warship collide with a cargo ship more than 3 times its size? The weather was clear. The ACX Crystal on a normal run to Tokyo. Also in question, the time the collision happened. U.S. officials have said the Fitzgerald was struck at 2:20 a.m. But late today, an official with Japan's Coast Guard told NBC News it was closer to 1:30 a.m. Marine traffic records show the Crystal made a U-turn at 2:05, something investigators will look at. Japanese investigators say they will talk to both crews to determine if there was negligence. The container ship, leased by a Japanese firm, suffered dents and scrapes, but none of the 20 Filipino crew members were injured. Several investigations are underway, but the Navy says the focus right now is on the families of the sailors who were missing and are now gone.
We owe it to our families and the Navy to understand what happened.
Janice Mackey-Frayer, NBC News, Yokosuka, Japan.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.